Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make sausage and pepper rolls and pepperoni rolls. And then we have the ultimate pepperoni roll topped with mozzarella cheese. All right, we're going to start our pepperoni rolls and our sausage rolls. The dough that we made yesterday is fully risen. It looks beautiful.
Very nice.
We'll have this dough recipe in the description below. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to stretch this dough out to about 14 inches. Very simple. And we're going to go ahead and layer this with pepperonis. I got the big pepperonis from the deli because the little ones will take forever to cover up this dough.
That's bad. That's good pepperoni, but
yeah,
not frozen.
All right, and just roll it up. All right, leave that one right there.
Let's see what else we got going on over here. We got some sauce for our pepperoni rolls, and we're also doing sausage and pepper rolls. There's our onions and peppers, and there's Jimmy's famous Italian sausage.
All right, we're gonna stretch out the second one, about 14 inches. I gotta get some more.
Slap on that pepperoni.
I have no pepperoni. All right, just roll it up. You want to make sure that pepperoni is a little thin, so it makes it easy to roll up. All right, those are ready. Okay. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and butter.
Grease it up.
Grease it up so it doesn't stick.
Butter's cold.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and slice these babies up. First we'll cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Half. 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 There we go. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and place these back inside the pan here. Now we're going to let these rise for about 30 minutes, and then we'll pop them in the oven.
Look like pepperoni cinnamon rolls.
Okay. All right, let's start up these sausage rolls now. I went ahead and pre-cooked the sausage. We got this sausage from our favorite place, Jimmy's. I cooked them in the oven for about 40 minutes on 425 degrees. Perfect. Anyway, here's our dough. I'm just going to flour one side so it makes it easier to stretch. You can use a roller if you like. Oh, and you can actually get this dough recipe on our video. I'll have it in the link in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch that to about 16 inches.
That's a pro at work right there, man.
All right, now that's done. Let me get my pizza cutter. I'm just going to cut this into 4 quarters. Now we're going to go ahead and put some cheese down first. Put right about there. Perfect. About 2. And this is provolone. We're using provolone today. Man, this is so simple. And it's really a great crowd pleaser, I'll tell you what. All right. Now we're going to lay the sausage down. You want to do it in a very end here. So we're gonna roll it up. Kind of like a croissant, but it's not a croissant. All right, now, let me grab our peppers and onions. I went ahead and just sauteed these in a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and that is it. I'm going 1 red bell pepper.
Our dad started to make these in New York.
Oh yeah, we sell a lot of these in here, huh?
In his pizzerias.
All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and roll them up. Just like so.
Very nice.
Kind of looks like a cannoli.
Sausage and pepper cannoli.
All right.
Looking good.
All right. Now I'm just going to put these in a pan. Space them out. So. Oh man, he's going to be good.
Yep.
All right. Put some egg wash. Just brush a little bit of that on top. All right. Now we're going to put some sesame seeds on there. Sprinkle them right on, like so. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. There's some slits on the top. All right, these can go in the oven right away. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on.
Hurry up.
We got the oven on 450 degrees.
Yeah.
And we're gonna let those cook. We'll check them back in about. We'll check back in about 10 minutes to see how they're doing.
All right.
All right, let's check these sausage rolls. Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at that. How beautiful is that?
Let's eat, man.
Oh man, put that there for right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and put these pepperoni rolls in. Cook them at the same way, about 20 minutes on 450.
Very nice.
Oh, beautiful.
Very nice.
All right, now what we're gonna do is just take these off and put them on a cooling. Okay, now I'm gonna put these on a cooling rack. Look at that. Bottom is perfect.
Perfect.
Oh man, look at that. Is that
Very
beautiful or what? All right, we'll be back. All right, let's check out these pepperoni rolls. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful.
Very nice.
Those look great. Oh, man, look at those, man. Those look fantastic.
Very nice.
All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and brush some garlic and oil all over these. Oh, smell that garlic. Look good. We're eating good today. Good old junk
Always.
food. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some garlic and salt. Garlic salt. A little more garlic flavor. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some pecorino romano. Oh, beautiful. All right. Now, for this one, we're going to add some whole milk mozzarella. And pop that back in the oven. I've got the oven on broil. We just want the cheese to melt. That's all we want on top. Lots of cheese. All right. Now, pop this back in the oven for about 2 minutes or until that cheese melts. You want to keep an eye on the cheese there because it'll get
away from you real
yes,
fast.
It will. All right, let's pull these babies out. Oh, look at that.
Looks good.
Oh, sprinkle that with a little bit of parsley.
I'm telling you, that cheese is beautiful mozzarella cheese.
Some more.
Very creamy.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Yummy.
All right. All right, let's dig into this feast.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, let's start out with one of these, Navaruch.
Oh, give me a piece of that.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, look at that cheese.
Mm-hmm. What's up, Louie?
All right, here's some sauce. Oh man,
That sauce looks good.
you can get this sauce on this recipe on our channel. Tomato sauce, real easy.
Where's the pasta?
No pasta today.
Now I want some spaghetti.
All right, well, let's try this out. Oh man,
Woo, that looks hot.
this looks wonderful.
Try it without the sauce first.
How was it?
Very good.
Oh my god. Pure heaven, guys. So light.
The sausage
fluffy.
roll is incredible.
Man, pepperoni rolls for me, but
Yeah. Dynamite.
phenomenal. Anyway, we're gonna dig into this beast. This is wonderful. Great appetizer, even a meal. Holidays coming up. This is a great way to entertain. Anyway, we appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys. Thank you again.